being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, heads-up display, ventilated seats. With these ratings, come test drive the 2019 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, sliding rear window, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.